Same thing. I'll come in here. You pull me like you did. You pull me through. I step in here. It's right on that leg. Just drop right on it. Drop your hips up. So when you do it to me, if I pull you through, if you come in and shoot, this, that leg there, I just fall. I'm on it. And then maybe touch you this or a lace.
Hold on, Dad. Hold on.
You want to do a lace if you can. Again, I want to get this heel. And then you can finish any number of laser mirrors, you know. So I can step through, I can pull you back. But when that leg's that close to you, somebody steps close to you like that, just fall right on that leg. And it's not even like, it's not like the fancy drill of, okay, I gotta come in, I gotta get my leg down, I gotta step around.
No.
When he's there, you just fall on it.
I want to peep.
It's just you guys too. Or an underhook. That's the one that's down the
I'll
underhook.
give you Same thing. Oh, yeah, absolutely. As soon as you get it, that's absolutely right. As soon as you get it, pull up on it, it's completely exposed. But I was in the same position. You didn't have me in an underhook, but I was right here. Same thing. It's completely exposed.
Gabriela.
Just drop on that leg just like you were shooting. Just like the no. Just always look where my legs are.
Anna, you need to play.
When you're moving me around. And so the analogous thing to think about is, okay, well, from an underhook, they teach you to do this because I moved you.
Why?
Well, you moved him so that your leg's in a certain position. Well, if that leg gets in that position, you got the same opportunity to shoot it.
Your hands, you need gloves. You need gloves. Hold on. Just bring that hand up. Let me see. Oh, you do have powder. Yeah, I need to get some Kleenex to put in my...
It's just like your duck. Roll it off and go for a leg.
Don't make it make it a 9.
Throw my arm off. Up and go for a leg. Go for a leg. Head down on the side. Single, always put the head in.
9 to 6. 9 to 6.
Come in here, throw it off. Get on that leg. Get on that leg. Good. Good. Very good. Exactly right. Come to this side. Do the same thing. Throw it off. Get on that leg. Good. Head on it. Keep your head on the side. Very good. And drop levels. They told you about dropping levels, haven't they? If you get there and your hips are like that, you go bulldog, you back down on the mat. You want to change levels. So when I go through, if I throw you by, I got that like I'm down like this. See where my hips are? My butt's going as far that way as I can. Then I come up.
Guys, go over there. Go
like
further
this,
over there, please.
what can you do to me? You can
No,
just
Gabby,
flatten me
over
right
there.
out.
Over
You know
there.
what, you can sprawl back. So do a sprawl. There, look. And I'm going right to the mat. So you got to change levels. When you shoot that, go ahead and get down low and then up high.
Go, Anna.
I got it. I won. Somebody help me.
Head's on the wrong side. You just shot a single with your head here. So what I would do is naturally cross face you. We're sprawling and get around behind you. So shoot that again with the head on the inside.
I'm going to go swing.
As soon as you have the opportunity, just like you did. There you go. There you go. Now, let me see what your finish move is.
Gabriela said, I know this
Whatever
is
you do to
difficult
finish.
understand, but this is
I want you to take me down, in other words.
Anna, you going to do that when you're big?
Good answer.
No, we're not going to do it. No, we're just going to do on each other.
Sweatpants make this much harder, don't
Play
they?
soccer and hug each other.
You can get caught.
I'm so glad you chose to do this
I didn't pick your tie.
Try your double.
It worked out great for you and
All
for
you want to do is step into that middle
Christina.
and changing your levels.
Mia just turned 6.
Come back out. No,
Mia turns 6 before Gabby turned 5. A week before Gabby turned 5.
You're going to step in between you. That's right. And then changing levels. See how you're still bent? See where your hips are? Where should your hips be? There you go. There you go. Because then you're giving me time.
Let him have it. Let him have it.
Let me show you.
Gabby,
Yeah, let it go. Okay,
let him have it.